As we learn more about this place and the abundant place that it was, feeding tens of thousands of people, we realized that it's been neglected, it's been damaged, and we wanted to start bringing that back. So the mission of Hui Ho'onua and the goal of the Malama Pu'uloa program is to restore this place to abundance and to address the trauma that has happened to the land, water, and people of the Ewamoku.
I am currently an intern at Malama Pu'uloa, and what we basically do here is restore abundance to Pearl Harbor, because Malama means to care and Pu'uloa means Pearl Harbor. My mentor is Auntie Sandy, and she is an amazing person, for she has taught me a lot of things about Malama Pu'uloa. We also plant kuli and native plants in this environment. We get rid of invasive species like mangrove.
I always knew the power of young folks to make a difference. But the fact that on top of their schooling, they would accept the challenge of an internship, that they would volunteer to do very hard work. That to me is an inspiration, because after all, empowering the next generation to Malama Aina to take care of their water, to help them feel confident, that's why I get out of bed every day.
One thing that I learned from this amazing internship program is being a confident leader. Because when I first started this program, I wasn't really that confident. And my mentor, Auntie Sandy, she really built me up on my confidence so that I could lead people, so I could lead them to victory, so that I could lead them how to strive for better.
Being an intern here, you know you're restoring food systems and resources and habitat for the community. You're making it more beautiful and safe and accessible. They have a chance to serve their community.
I would truly recommend Malama Pu'uloa for a great internship program, since you are always outdoor and you're learning more about the environment. It's a great internship, especially when it comes to agriculture.
I'm really grateful that folks from James Campbell High School invited us to work with students and to host interns, because that's taught us a lot. It's taught us how we can better empower the next generation.